Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. Uh, Making some, getting some prepared now. Yeah, it's September 3rd. But I'm getting prepared for winter now, so I want to show you some of the stuff I'm going to be doing out here. And so I'm step out here and show you. Actually, let me switch this around so I can see what I'm showing without trying to look and do that double stuff here. So hang on a second. There we go. Now I can show you what we got going on here. So if you recognize out here along the side here, I had these panels here. They were up at that point there, so there's a bigger gap at the bottom. I was trying to keep the wind from blowing the snow in and stuff, so I'm changing things around. And I just started messing around with it a little bit at a time, most of the day today. And so I come out here, do one or two boards, and go back in because it was really hot out here earlier today. And so I've got some of these up here. I got the one panel here attached already. And so I'm going to set this up and where you can see it as I get stuff going here. And I'm got the boards cut and everything to go up the middle here. That section there is 8 foot wide. This one here is 8 foot wide. This one here is 7 foot. And the reason why this one's 7 foot is because that post back there would be up on the step there and it wouldn't work. So I actually got another 7 foot one down there by the access to under the house. So, and there's Eli having fun. So I'm going to get this set up here and I'm going to back up here and get it set up and I'm going to get at it. All right. All right, there's the first row. These are the screws I'm putting the plastic on with. Phillips on the side there, on the front, and then little sharp pointy ones there, but those are 3/4 inch I'm putting in, and this stuff here is like 1/16 of an inch thick, so yeah. So I got that done. The next one goes in. It's going to be, instead of being 4 foot tall, it's going to be 24 inches, and it's going to go from here up and then bend it a little bit here. And I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do. Sorry, get my thing over here working here. So it's going to go from here up to there. It's going to bend at that point and come up out here. There we go. Across there, and I'll have to attach a 2x4 between the 2x6s here up here for it to match with there. Okay, so that's the plan, is to go with a 2-footers. I do have 3 8-footer, 4 foot wide ones. And if I do that, then it'll lap down to about that board there, so about halfway. So that may give a little bit better protection from the wind and snow blowing in at it from the north here, and keep more snow off of the patio. So I got to think about it. Tomorrow I will decide what I'm going to do, and then I will either cut a couple of those in half, or I will just put a whole one up there and just see what that does. But that'll keep the snow away from the door to the back door, and we'll keep it, hopefully we'll keep it a lot more snow out of here. All right, so that's what I'm doing here, getting prepared for winter here, to try to keep it so I don't have to work so hard keeping snow out of there. All righty, so remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Get winter clothing now, and learn a new skill every month. All right, take care, and I'll see you around.